Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model designed to assist and engage with you. Today, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT effectively to get the most out of its capabilities. To begin, access ChatGPT through a compatible platform or application. This could be a website, a chatbot, or an integrated system within a larger software. Once you've logged in, you're ready to start interacting. To initiate a conversation with ChatGPT, simply type your query or message into the input box provided. Be clear and concise, but don't worry about being overly formal. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language. Engage in a dynamic conversation by asking follow-up questions. Referencing ChatGPT's previous responses will help maintain context and lead to more in-depth discussions. ChatGPT may offer additional features like summarization, translation, or code generation. Feel free to explore these functionalities, but always verify the results to ensure accuracy. When you've completed your conversation or no longer need assistance, you can politely end the interaction.